beach. So pretty.
Guess where we are now?
Where are we?
Huh?
Where are we?
We're right here. This is Stanley Park.
That's Stanley Park.
Yeah, that's Stanley Park.
Across the...
Yeah, and then if we cross the bridge, we can go hire boats.
So what is this place called?
Huh?
What is this place called?
That's just him. If you're giving us a
This
ride.
is called West Vancouver. It's so pretty.
It's a bridge.
Arriving at Stanley Park Causeway on right.
Get everything you need this season, plus expert advice and customized samples. Only until September 13th. Fall's new mood. Now at Hudson's Bay, Vancouver. The recyclers.
Like stage National Geographic.
I bet you that's what she is.
Huh?
That's probably what they do.
Oh yeah? Let's see where they're bike. Do you think the carriers that we're looking at
No, I think it leaves it for a while.
for the babies to eat?
I don't know. But that was fast.
Yeah.
Oh, he's so tall.
Hey, watch behind you.
What?
Watch out behind you.
Why?
Passing over our Timberwolf habitat, which is home to our resident Timberwolf alpha. If you're lucky enough to be next to a window, hang your head over and see if you can catch a glimpse of him as we pass. If you don't see him this time, just cross the car park and follow the 2 gravel paths up to the viewing platforms later. Complimentary with your tickets today are a number of activities, including the world famous Lumberjack Show, the Birds in Motion demonstration, got guided eco tours and ranger talks, our Theatre in the Sky, which is currently showing the documentary Wings of Light, and also the Pollinators Garden and Beehive Interpretive Centre.
Ski slope.
In addition to all of those things, we also have on offer zip lining, paragliding, helicopter tours, and tours of the Eye of the Wind. Now, just drawing your attention out of the windows, everyone, I'll give you a brief overview so that you know what you're looking at. The bridge that you can see directly across from me and down below there is the Lionsgate Bridge, and that connects North Vancouver with Stanley Park, which, to give you an idea of scale, stands at 1,000 acres there. To the left of Stanley Park is downtown Vancouver, where all of the high-rise buildings are there, and you can just see Canada Place along the water, which is where the white sails are, and that's Vancouver's cruise ship terminal, and that sees over 1 million passengers dock every summer.
We'll go to that.
The body of water that you can see beneath the tram is the Capilano
Don't go to
Reservoir,
that prom
and that
quay.
feeds Vancouver with 1/3 of its fresh drinking water. And you can see that that's contained to the left down below there by the Cleveland Dam. The 2 peaks that you can see directly across from me out of this opposite window here mark the 2 highest points in the Capilano, standing at 5,400 and 5,200 feet. And that's halfway, everyone. This tower here is one of 2, and we're going to sway a little.
just one right now. I don't know where the other one is. I would be like, okay, play dead or what?
I'll be at the entrance down by that.
I think what's everybody looking at? In the pond. He's taking a bath.
He's cleaning himself.
Hey, Joe.
So they said you don't need a boating license to... That's weird.
Why is it all foggy?